Hello, this is Dixie Cravens with my border radius shapes activity. This is the one that I chose to do just because this was the one that I didn't understand, and so I learned a lot by digging into it. And so I'm starting with a square. The first shape that we're going to make is the triangle, and so I needed to start with something that I could see, but a triangle actually only deals with the borders. And so as long as you have a background showing, you're not going to see the triangle. But let me show you what's going on. So if I do a border top, you see this has gotten larger, but what actually has happened is we have this. So we've added a border there, and now we have a border on the right, but you can see we don't have a triangle. So if I remove this background and we go back to transparent, we still don't have a triangle. It's because we also we have our border, but we don't need a width or a height. So now you see I have a triangle. It's a really small triangle, but I need that for the next piece. So I have my triangle, and I am going to rotate it by 10 degrees in preparation for the next piece, which is the little tail. And so I want to keep it in the same div, and therefore I'm going to use the pseudo class after. And to use the pseudo class after, I need content. So I have this line content here, but as you can see, it's empty. So the next thing that I wanted to do was I wanted to give it some width and some height and a background color, just so I kind of see where I'm starting. And we don't see it because I don't remember. Maybe the positioning. Aha, there it is. Okay, so it's positioned according to where the triangle is, and you can see that it's already got some rotation. And again, we have a width and a height and a background. Now if I want to come in and start to, again, bring in the borders, what we're really working with is a border. You can see we've got it showing up there, the 6-pixel solid red. And then I'm going to bring in the border radius and just do this top left corner, which is top left, top right, bottom left. So I'm just using that corner. And then once I take out the background, we will be left with just the shape that I'm after. And so I'm going to position it by moving it to the top and to the left, and then when I transform it, I rotate it, it's going to fit right in there where I wanted it. Thank you for watching.